Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new unit we just got on the ground. This is a 2018 Haulmark 7x14 plus V. So this trailer will measure 7x16 total. And this one's got some goodies on it, including our very own Colorado pack that we've included some extra options that don't come standard with the Haulmark. So you guys can have some additional features with these units. V-nose front, again with the diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom. Great rock protection. This one has a silver front with a polished strip and a black back. Side door does have the RV lock and a cam bar on it, which is part of our Colorado pack. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all four wheels and a polished aluminum fender. Side vents on this unit as well. This is a Passport. Also part of our Colorado pack includes stabilizer jacks underneath the rear of the trailer. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close the rear ramp door. LED exterior lighting on this unit as well. And as part of the Colorado pack we've done is 4 D-rings in the floor, Drymax floors, and walls. So you guys have an upgraded wall system as opposed to what comes in the standard Passports, which is the wall liner. We went ahead and upgraded it to the Drymax. So you guys have that upgraded product and essentially a waterproof floor and wall in this trailer. 7-foot interior height, so great for UTVs. You have an overhead light. Toggle switch right there to turn the lights on and off. Backside of the RV lock does have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. And then there's your additional 2 D-rings in the floor and your other side vent. One-piece aluminum roof and radial tires with these Haulmark products as well. These are really nice, well-made trailers. And then we just kind of took them and put a few more features on them from there. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.